A Windy Day in Spring by Charles Ghigna, illustrated by Laura Watson. Warm wind welcomes early spring. Warm wind makes the bluebirds sing. Warm wind rushes through the trees. Warm wind stirs the bumblebees. Warm wind blows a butterfly. Warm wind lifts a kite up high. Warm wind turns a weather vane. Warm wind waves a pony's mane. Warm wind makes the wind chimes ring. Warm wind helps a hammock swing. Warm wind steals a farmer's hat. Warm wind pets a tabby cat. Warm wind spins a big blue pinwheel. Warm wind makes a seagull squeal. Warm wind pushes waves around. Warm wind blows a castle down. Warm wind fills a bright red sail. Warm wind tickles a big blue whale. Warm wind lifts an eagle's wings. Warm wind does so many things. Wind can make a bluebird sing. Warm wind welcomes spring. The end.